Hi there. So, is there WhatsApp marketing not bringing any kind of results? Then, what you can do is you can change your WABA account. You can just migrate all the existing templates into a new WABA account, which is WhatsApp business account, and everything will remain the same. Um, from your phone number to templates, everything will be the same, but your WABA account will be changed, and because of that it will improve the deliverability of your WhatsApp messages, because I have seen that a lot of times your copy, your image, everything is perfect, but that message is not getting delivered to the right audience, and because of that you are not seeing any results with your WhatsApp marketing campaign. So another thing you can do is you can allow users to unsubscribe from your WhatsApp marketing campaigns. A lot of times we just do not want users to unsubscribe from our WhatsApp list or email marketing list, but in the long run it actually hurts your email deliverability or WhatsApp message deliverability rate, because these users always mark your messages as spam. They will not engage, so they are bottlenecks in your WhatsApp marketing campaign. So let them go. It really helps. So just you can add a one line in your message, like if you want to unsubscribe, reply stop. That's it. That's all you need to do. Apart from that, what you can do is you can A/B test your messages. A lot of times we do not A/B test our messages. So test the different versions of your messages. Sometimes you can change the just image. You can keep the message copy same, so your image drastically improves the view rate of your messages, and if it improves, then your click-through rate will automatically improve. So everything is interconnected, right? So an increase in your view rate of your messages will also improve your CTR, and when you have the high CTR, eventually it will turn into lead or book a call or a sale. So or you have to identify the top or the most resonating messages with your audience. For example, a lot of times we send messages, maybe 10 messages you have sent in the last month, but maybe 2 of them performed really well. So you need to engineer your upcoming messages around those 2 messages which did well, and based on that you can generate higher responses through your WhatsApp marketing campaigns. Another thing which you can do is you can just uh, send messages to those who respond you, which means segmentation. This is also really powerful. You first send a qualification message or something which the users needs to do, and this will get you qualified users, and then you can send the actual